Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Reader, and get yourself a discount. Well, anyways, this is Myojo, and I don't know what range it is, but it's Myojo. I think it's like butter shio or seafood shio, or I don't know what it is, but it looks certainly, it's blue. It's gonna be shio. So let's make it. Soul. Right? I like to make it so. You know, I'm really sick of how I can't pour water. I'm really sick. But I digress. It's one of those days. I can tell it's definitely just one of those stupid days. So, there we go. So yeah, not the best of days. Got stuff going on. I don't even know if Mimi did you finish your lunch? Hey Mimi, did you finish your lunch? Yes or no? Yippee! You asked what you asked for. You can go have that. That's your choice. Go have a seat. Bye-bye. That was your lunch. Okay, well, go out there and play. But you gotta finish your lunch. Go. Yep. So, in this situation, there's not much I can do about it. But, we can go to Momofuku Ando Speaks and see what kind of quotation he might have today to help with the situation. So, let's see. Quote number... I think around 30. A big head start is an effective way to get the founder's profit in your pocket. I just did that one. 31. Be meticulous yet bold. Okay, I don't like this. This is definitely one of those days. Somebody's mad because they asked for something for lunch and they don't want to eat it now, and I'm telling them they have to. Sucks, kid. It really sucks, but ooh, that's the rules. That's the deal. I know. I'm like a horrible hurt. It's dead. This is so one of those days. No, it's not dead. I just turned it off. So it's 3 minutes. I'm giving it one more minute. Right? Huh. Unhelpful. How long has this been going? 3 minutes and 37 seconds. I'm guessing, yeah, probably another minute. That sounds about right. It's a 3-minuter, so. I'm hoping that works the magic. And that was enough time to spill some water. Do the quote. Yeah. I think we're good. I think so. And Mimi complained about not wanting to finish her big chunk. She wanted a tortilla with cheese, sliced like pizza. So normal people will call that a quesadilla. In her world, that's bread and cheese. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. She has terms for things. I'm down with that. And then it turns out she doesn't want to have the big pieces. Well, the big pieces are all of them, so she can hang on to her lunch. This looks actually really nice. Oh, I see why she's cranky. it went from playing like kids shows on PBS to a pledge drive. It tastes very seafoody. So they come with a sachet on top. They don't usually do that here in the States. They don't always do it in Japan, but sometimes they do. And so, mustn't forget that. So at the end, you pour this in. I don't even see it coming in. You guys did. Okay. It's got, oh, it's a potato butter shield. You know why? Because that looks like a chunk of potato. I get the butter. The butter is nice. But potato, that's a stretch. I have trouble with potato in noodle. Unless it's like, I don't know, I can get down with it if it's something more European, maybe cheese is involved, maybe it's like potato and like a macaroni or something, but potato, ramen, I mean, the noodles can be made of potato, that doesn't bother me, but I don't know, there's something weird, okay? Something weird. I'm gonna add some of my own chashu that we made this weekend. Last weekend. Oh my God, I'm excited. We're getting close to this weekend. God, it's huge. Look at that. We learned. That's just too dang big. Got an egg. There we go. Egg coming to the show. There we go. Somebody made a really weird comment on YouTube about the top 10 list. They said something like, I looked like I'd been doing like a bunch of meth every day for years, and it was like, gee, really? But then it was kind of like, well, wait a second. I've been trying to lose weight. Isn't that what that would do? So I had to kind of like turn around and make it feel like, oh, it's kind of a compliment. Thank you. But that is kind of weird. I most certainly haven't done that. Closest thing I do to that is energy drinks. I've been doing those for quite a while. I'm calling that a success right there. That worked out well. I think we're looking golden on that. What do you think? I'm really starting, the more I use this thing, the more I'm getting a little bit more in tune with the chi of the holy slicer. All right, and You always use mung bean sprouts and seeds and... I'm like, yeah, but it's a nice combo and it works. Shichimi, you know the drill. Yeah. Throwing my arms, my hands up and going, yep, that's what I'm doing. Yeah? No, pretty good. Alright. Rotating now. Alright, well, thanks for joining me for that one. Yeah, that came out of a Zen Pop box. Zenpop.jp. You keep on code the ramen raider. This will be up tomorrow. This is Koi Yakisoba. I don't know much about it, but this came out of from 5 a.m. Ramen. This is, you can get these over at instantramen.jp. And use the coupon code the ramen raider for discount. So do it. Just type in the ramen rater for a discount. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.